Welcome back to Tech Explorer, where we explore the latest in smartphone technology. Today, we are diving deep into Google's newest mid-range contender, the Pixel 9a. Google's A series has always been about delivering the best Pixel experience at a more affordable price, and the Pixel 9a continues that tradition with flagship-like features, powerful AI-driven chipset, and Google's renowned camera system. With a 6.3-inch OLED display, the powerful Google Tensor G4 chip, an AI-enhanced dual-camera system, and an impressive 5,100 mAh battery, this phone is shaping up to be one of the best mid-range devices of the year. But does it live up to the Pixel reputation? Let's take a closer look. Google has refined the design of its A-series phones, making the Pixel 9a look and feel more premium than ever before. While it follows the same design language as its flagship Pixel 9 series, Google has made some subtle improvements, ensuring a sleek and modern look while keeping costs down. The Pixel 9a features a durable aluminum frame with a matte finish on the back, making it resistant to fingerprints and smudges. The iconic Pixel camera bar remains, seamlessly blending with the body to create a distinctive and recognizable design. Available in classic Pixel colors like charcoal, snow, and a vibrant nubia blue, the Pixel 9a is both stylish and durable, with IP67 water and dust resistance, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. Google has equipped the Pixel 9a with a 6.3-inch OLED panel, ensuring deep blacks, vibrant colors, and excellent contrast. This time, the A series gets a 120 Hz refresh rate, a significant upgrade over its predecessor, making scrolling, animations, and gaming feel smoother and more responsive. With HDR10+ support, the display is optimized for watching high-quality content, whether you're streaming Netflix, YouTube, or playing mobile games. The improved peak brightness also ensures great outdoor visibility, allowing you to use your phone comfortably even under direct sunlight. Google has also enhanced haptic feedback, making interactions feel more natural and satisfying, especially when typing, swiping, or navigating the UI. At the heart of the Pixel 9a is Google's latest Tensor G4 chipset, a powerful AI-driven processor that enhances performance, efficiency, and intelligent features. The Tensor G4 is designed to optimize real-world usage, focusing on AI-powered photography, voice recognition, and machine learning tasks rather than just raw power. While it may not be the fastest processor in terms of gaming benchmarks, Google's software optimizations ensure a lag-free and smooth experience. Whether you're multitasking, editing photos, or using AI-driven features like Magic Eraser, the Pixel 9a handles it all with ease. Another major advantage of the Tensor G4 is on-device AI processing, which improves speech-to-text accuracy, live translation, and smart assistant functionalities without requiring an internet connection. This means features like real-time call screening, automatic summarization, and AI-driven transcription are faster and more reliable. Pixel phones are known for their exceptional camera performance, and the Pixel 9a continues that legacy. It features a 48MP main sensor, paired with a 13MP ultra-wide lens, both of which are optimized by Google's advanced computational photography. Even though the hardware isn't dramatically different from the Pixel 8a, Google's software magic makes all the difference. Thanks to AI-powered image processing, you get sharper details, better dynamic range, and improved low-light performance. Night Sight captures stunning low-light shots with excellent detail and minimal noise. Magic Eraser easily remove unwanted objects or people from your photos. Super Residential Zoom delivers clear zoomed-in shots without needing a dedicated telephoto lens. Real tone ensures accurate skin tones for all users. Best take merges multiple shots into one perfect photo, ensuring everyone looks their best in group pictures. For video enthusiasts, the Pixel 9a supports 4K recording with improved stabilization and enhanced HDR processing, making it an excellent choice for content creators and vloggers. One of the standout features of the Pixel 9a is its massive 5,100 mAh battery, a significant improvement over previous A-series models. Google has optimized the battery consumption with adaptive battery AI, ensuring power is allocated efficiently based on your usage habits. With 23W wired charging and 7.5W wireless charging, the Pixel 9a ensures quick top-ups when you're running low on power. Although it doesn't support super-fast charging like some flagship competitors, Google's efficient battery management allows you to get over a full day of usage with ease. One of the biggest reasons to buy a Pixel phone is the pure Android experience, and the Pixel 9a is no exception. Running on Android 15, the device delivers a clean, smooth, and bloat-free user experience with no unnecessary third-party apps. Live Translate instantly translate languages in real time, even without an internet connection. Call screening, Google Assistant filters out spam and robocalls automatically. Adaptive battery and adaptive charging extend battery lifespan with intelligent power management. Pixel Recorder with AI summarization automatically transcribes and summarizes conversations. Perhaps the biggest highlight is Google's 7 years of software updates, ensuring your phone stays secure and up to date for nearly a decade. This is an industry-leading update policy, making the Pixel 9a a great long-term investment. The Pixel 9a is an outstanding mid-range smartphone that delivers a premium experience at a budget-friendly price. With its beautiful OLED display, AI-driven performance, Pixel-grade cameras, long battery life, and 7 years of software updates, it offers unmatched value for anyone looking for a reliable and intelligent smartphone. While it may not be the most powerful phone for gaming, it excels in everyday performance, photography, and AI-driven features, making it perfect for students, professionals, and casual users who want a dependable phone with long-term support. So, is the Pixel 9a the best mid-range phone of the year? It certainly has all the right ingredients. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more detailed smartphone reviews and the latest tech news. Stay tuned for more exciting content.